Hello friends, in today's tutorial we are going to learn about how to configure an AG service. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to create a AG service username, and that username will be used to run that particular AG service. So in order to do that, let us first click on Argus console. This is an administrative work and generally done by the administrator. Let's go to Access Management, Argus, Users. Click on the Add User button at the bottom of the screen. First we will check this particular checkbox which says Service User, and we'll give the username AG Service 101. We will keep both the username and the user ID as same, and we will enter the password. Let's click on the Save button to save the AG Service user. Our user has been saved. Click on the OK button. Next step is we will go to our transaction server. We will go to Start and we will open our Argus Safety Service configuration screen. We'll click on Add Argus Process. Double click on it and give it a name. You will find that there are so many services available over here. So we have to choose one of the service. Let's suppose we want to use Auto Signal service. So we will give a name called Auto Signal service. So you can give any name that you feel like, and we will select Auto Signal. Database name, we will give the user which we have created previously. Password, and we will give an email address just in case if this particular fails to run, then an email will be fired to this particular email address. And click on the OK button. The very next step is that we will start our Argus Safety Service. We click on the Start button and we will go to the Argus Safety Service configuration screen. You will find our Auto Signal Service status as OK. That means our Auto Signal service has been correctly configured. Next thing is you have to see is the log file. So this is the log file directory path. So you can go to this particular location to view the log files. This is the latest log file which has been generated. Moreover, we have 26 different type of background services available as shown on the screen. So each time we want to use a background service, we will have to create a new AG service user and then associate the new user with the one particular AG service. The very first thing that will come to your mind is, what is AG service and why do we need this? Well, let me explain you with an example. We also use background services in our day-to-day life, like electricity, water supply, cooking gas supply, mobile services, Wi-Fi services. These are all background services which keeps our life moving. In the same fashion, we have these background services which actually transfers the workload from the web server to the transaction server, so that the user is able to perform the operation seamlessly. It is very much important to know the functionality of all the different type of AG services available. We have already created few videos on different AG services, so you can watch them in order to understand the functionality of the background services. So in order to summarize what we have learned today is, we have learned how to configure AG services. We have learned that for each AG service we will have to create one particular user. So if we have to configure 26 different AG services, we will have to configure 26 different AG service user in our Argus console, and we will have to associate both the AG service and the AG service user in our Argus Safety service configuration. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do take good care of yourself.